So here's just a little overview of the coffee roaster I just built. It's basically a glorified hot air popper. It uses a fan down here to blow air through a heating element that's enclosed in here up into this part where the coffee beans will be. Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. I 3D printed a lot of the components just to save money and have some fun trying to design some things. Designing this fan that had enough pressure to do what I wanted it to do was kind of fun. It just uses a brushed 550 DC motor. It's about, I think it's like 130 millimeter diameter impeller, and it spins at 12,000 RPM. Inside the enclosure here is a dryer heating element. I think it's about 5,200 watts. And everything, all the sheet metal is 24 gauge. I'd never done any sheet metal work, so I just bought a little sheet metal brake at Harbor Freight and kind of learned how to do it. So after the beans to get the hot beans out, I decided to just kind of hinge the whole thing, and so it can tip down and the beans will be dumped out onto a tray. I have a couple thermocouples. I have one thermocouple right there measuring the air temperature going into the beans, and then another thermocouple measuring the temperature of the beans themselves. And then for the electrical components, I have a heavy-duty 2-pole switch to control the power going to the relay that sends power to the heating element. Then another switch that just turns on all the electronics. So I saw a lot of pictures and reviews on these solid-state relays where they kind of burned up or fried or melted, so I decided to just take the extra measure and made this little enclosure has a cooling fan on the bottom, so it's just actively drawing air past that heat sink there to keep it cool. I don't know if it was necessary or not, but it didn't take a whole lot to do that. So inside the controller here is an Arduino Uno with two max 6675 amplifiers for the thermocouples, and then a driver for the DC motor. And then the interface is pretty straightforward. It's just you can set your fan speed 0 to 100%. You can monitor your bean temperature, and then you can set your air temperature and also monitor you set it and then monitor it. So and then everything's controlled with this little rotary encoder. You can in this mode you're adjusting the fan speed, and then you push it in, and then you can adjust your set temperature. And then let's see, on the back I mounted the power supply, the 24 volt power supply, and then I also kind of hid some of the wiring on the back here. The only thing I think I'd like to improve upon is the blower. It works just fine, and I can put 500 grams in here, and it works just fine. It's a little bit loud though, so I think I would like to get an aluminum impeller, and then probably a 20,000 RPM motor instead of this 12,000 RPM motor. And then I think that's pretty much all I want to improve upon it. Of course, I want to get some more permanent wiring, supply wiring here. That's just temporary. And all of the libraries that are available for the Arduino are pretty awesome. I'm using the Arduino PID library to control the temperature, and still working on getting it tuned right now. But all the libraries are amazing. Kind of, enable a person like me that doesn't have any coding experience to make something like this that works pretty great. So it's a pretty cool community. Anyway, that's the coffee roaster. We'll see if it works. I haven't roasted anything, but I think it's gonna work.